right now is, it's 11:06. Yeah, you can see that. But it's 11:06, November 20. We're leaving to go to Taiwan later. So, our flight is at 6 a.m. So, we have to be there at like 2. Latest should be 3 a.m. So, we're gonna leave the house ng mga, I would say, 1:30 at most. So, I'm waiting for Cams. I'll go to Taiwan with Cams and her brother. So, let's see. Hoping everything goes well. So, let's hope for the best. But I'm just waiting for them. I'm ready. My maleta's ready. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Hopefully after the immigration and all of those things. So, see you later. Hi! Ito ang itsura ng nakalagpas na ng immigration, guys. Let's go. Yan. Let's go! You at the airport! Anong oras na? The time is 2:54. So, dumating kami ng NAIA at around 2:11, no? Yes. 2:11. Pero, ayan, 2:54, nakalagpas na kami ng immigration and all. So, ma-access kami! Ayan, I'm with Cams. And her brother. Shy type siya. So, ayan na natin. Ayan, hahanap lang kami ng makakainan. Pero magsi-CR pa. So, guys, yung si Cams kasi, sponsored niya yung kapatid niya. So, ang mga dinala at hiningi sa kanya, affidavit of support. So, feel ko yun talaga yung pinaka, no?
Yeah. Important siya. And then, yung sa COE. Kasi, unang tinanong sa akin ng IDO is if employed ako. Tapos, yung sinabi ko, private employee ako. And then, inask niya sino yung mga kasama ko. And then, nabanggit ko na yung isa nga doon is kapatid ko. And then, sabi niya, ano yun, working din ba? Sabi ko, no po, student siya. Sabi, so sponsor mo siya, sponsoran mo siya. Sabi ko, yes po. And then, sabi niya, patingin naman ako kung may affidavit of support ka. And then, nilabagan ko siya nun together with the COE. Then,
buti na lang.
Same with him. Dun sa,
brother niya.
Dun sa brother ko, yun lang din yung tinanong sa kanya. Since sinabi niya na, student siya. So, kailangan talaga ng AOS. Then, walang tanong-tanong, okay na.
Yes. Yeah. Siguro mga 5 minutes lang immigration, no? Tapos na. Okay na siya. So, ayun guys. Make sure complete ang documents. Wala pa kaming gate number, guys. Kasi ang aga pa. 6 pa yung boarding. 2:57 pa lang, te. Sana. Okay, at least, diba, sumakses na kami sa immigration. Yun yung kinakabahan kasi si Cams. So, of course. Parang ano pa lang, the moment na nabook namin yung ticket,
sabi ko sa kanya,
yung affidavit ko. Hinawakan ko pa yung leg niya. Wala, te, it's okay. Diba, nakasuccess tayo. So, mamaya ano na, boarding na, finish na ang pagsubok. Hi guys. The time is 4:16 yata, something like that. Dito na lang tayo. May monitor din here eh. So, madali lang. Doon na lang kaya. Walang tao. Ay, sis, dyan tayo. Doon tayo sa dulong-dulo. Yeah, last trip namin sa Bangkok. That was 2 years ago. Ay, magpapahinga na muna ang mga person. 6 o'clock pa. Meron, tinry ko kanina. 3 hours of free wifi. It's 4 o'clock, so we'll wait. 6 o'clock yung boarding namin. So, once you board, I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys. We just boarded the plane, so ang time ngayon ay 6:28. 6:28 yan. So, we're supposed to take off ng mga 6:45. Hopefully, accurate naman. But, yun. So, we'll see you in Taiwan. Cams is here. Her brother's here. Yeah, basta nandiyan siya. Ayan. So, see you there. Hi, guys. We just landed sa Taoyuan Airport. It is 9:13. So, same time zone naman. Nararamdaman ko yung lamig. But, ayan. We're just gonna go through immigration and I'll see you guys afterwards. Bye! Hi guys! My hair looks weird but kami ay mukha na ng luggage. Isa na lang inaantay namin. Mag-withdraw na kami soon. Pero, ang dami palang pink luggage. Walang InstaPay. Hindi makapag-transfer. Pero we'll see later. We're walking. We are going to look for an ATM so we can withdraw a bit of cash. Konti lang, just to have cash talaga. But, ayun. Yun lang. So, let's see. We're gonna take the train. Let's see how it goes. Usapang withdraw, guys. For some reason, di nag-work yung InstaPay. Di makakapag-transfer si Cams. Talagang napakamalas. Na-feel ko yung bank talagang may problema.
Oo, bangko.
Si Cams na napakamalas sa lahat ng banking apps. At all. Yeah. Ito naman, nag-work pero hindi nag-go through. Diba? So, there must be something wrong with GCash na. Like the app itself.
Ay, oo nga, kasi GoTime yung gamit.
GoTime gamit ko eh.
GoTime. Baka GCash na. Ayaw niyo magpa-transfer.
Hi guys, I'm with Madam. Sa dalawa yung maleta niya, kabog. Walking na kami to the station. Dire-diretso lang ang alam ko eh. We're walking to the yung MRT Express. Let's see. Nahirapan pa kami mag-withdraw pero sumakses naman kami. May nag-a-assist dun sa ATM eh. So, ang cute. Look at my maleta. Oh my God. What happened? We just arrived sa Taipei main station. Yan. So, actually, 35% na lang yung camera ko but I'm gonna do my best. Hi guys! So, nag-check-in kami sa hotel pero, nag-ano na kami. We got our, room number. Pero, di pa kami pwede mag-check-in kasi 3 PM pa. So, kahanap kami yung pagkain.
And just to check yung weather.
Oh,
Ano
it's
siya? 22 degrees sabi sa sa weather ng phone. Pero, it feels like for us na
parang
Pinoy,
18,
parang
no?
18. Tapos yung hangin
Hangin,
is,
sobrang lamig.
oh, sobrang lamig. Parang siyang Baguio.
Yup.
Tapos continuous yung niya, yung bugso ng hangin.
Yeah.
So, hindi kayo makakagard dito.
Ano pa siya, kung lamigin kayo, malamig na siguro to. Pero,
hinahangin yung hair namin.
pero kung like, hindi naman kayo sobrang lamigin, pwede pa kayo mag-skirt. Actually, nakatoko nga ako ngayon. So, di ba? Hindi tayo nilalamig. Pero hahanap kami ng kainan. We'll see. So, the hotel we're staying at, it's called Crystal Hotel. Actually,
Doon siya.
para siya si Pearly eh. Nawawala bigla. Actually, yung hotel na pinag-stayan namin, last minute booking talaga kasi may something na nangyari with Agoda. Gulo-gulo, but anyway, at least nakakuha kami ng hotel. It's an old hotel, pero parang okay naman. We'll see later. Hindi pa namin nakikita yung room. Pharmacy, oh. Pharmacy. there's a 7-Eleven here, but we're looking for food, so let's see. Search. Tayo mo nga mag-search ng kung anong malapit na anything dito. Food near me, gano'n.
Di ba ko kanina, may tinitingnan ka.
We'll walk lang for a bit.
Oo, mga bulgogi.
Ay, okay. Mga bowls, rice bowls. Ganun. So, may nahanap na. We'll see. Let's see where it is. So, we're gonna walk.
Clinic sila, oh.
We're here. Let's see if the food is good.
Ito meron, Nissan ano din.
We're at Sukiya. It's right across yung hotel, so it's near. Japanese food. Beef Japanese. Sarap kayo yung melted cheese beef Japanese. So, I ordered a beef melted cheese yakiniku bowl. Hopefully it's good. So we just when we got to Taipei main station, we took a Grab. Uber because it's like 5 minutes away. After kumain, okay. Excited na ako mag 7-Eleven. Hopefully it's nice. Don't mind me. So I borrowed yung Insta360 nung we're gonna eat, so I'll return. Bye guys! So guys, hindi ko na binidyan yung kain kanina kasi gutom na gutom.
Hindi na kami nagpapansin.
Hindi na kami nagpapansinan kanina habang kumakain. Pero, we're going back to the hotel kasi mag-book na lang kami Uber to Chiang Kai-shek. We're going to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. So we're gonna make the most out of today kasi dapat talaga grasslands yung pupuntahan namin, pero gabi na kasi. So, pag gabi na yun pag uwi namin. Kaya, we're gonna go to Chiang Kai-shek. We'll go to Taipei 101 as well. Mas mura kapag marami kayo. And medyo mura considering medyo mas mura ang Uber dito compared sa Philippines or yung Grab natin. So, ayun. Mag-Uber na lang kami.
Transport, yung ganun kotse. Yung sinakyan natin kanina.
Oo. Uber X lang para normal. Earn 5%. Nope, ayoko yan. 143.
143.
So, nag-ano kami guys. Siyempre, budget splitting. Divided by 3 naman. So, ayan, meron na. Toyota Corolla.
Oh, gundo. 140.
943. Asan na?
43 yata yung sis.
Asan na? Hindi ko na makita. Sige, 143.
Oh, parang 143 na
143 nga dun. So, hintayin na kami ng Uber. Tapos, Chiang Kai-shek. Let's go! Hi guys! Again, at nakarating na kami ng Chiang Kai-shek. So, look at this. It's so pretty. It's cold here. It's cold. It's getting colder, I think. We're at a vendor machine.
Ano kaya ba yung currency?
Wala yan. I think same lang yan.
20 lang lahat.
Parang masarap to, parang fruity.
Feel ko para siyang yung mga dragon fruit na
Wala ko yun yung parang ininom natin kanina.
yung mga parang may seed.
Anyway, we're gonna go to Chiang Kai-shek. I mean the Memorial Hall. Yuan.
TY.
Oh!
Yeah, this is the weather that I want.
I like this.
This is the weather that
This is what I want. It is not what I want.
Perfect.
It's not what I need. So let's look at the view, guys. We're going there. Oh, look at this place. This place is so nice. Can't believe I'm here na already. Used to be on TikTok lang. Hi guys. Bulong lang kasi nasasakit. Tapos na kami mag-Chiang Kai-shek. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Ready na kaming mag-check-in. 30 minutes pa. It's 2:33. So, hindi na kami tumuloy sa Taipei 101. Pagod na kami. Bukas na lang. We'll try again tomorrow. And the next day. So, let's see. Yan. See you guys at the hotel. I'll show you a room tour later. Hi guys! Welcome back to this. At nakapag-rest na mga people. Ay, sarap. Ayan. So, ayan. Malamig ang hangin. Ang oras ngayon ay it is 6:48. May drizzle. So, nagpahinga lang kami, guys. We're going to Ximending na. We're just gonna walk going there. Malamig naman, so. Oh, pizza. But, I'll take you guys there. When I get there, let's vlog again. Hi, guys! Hi, guys. Kami ay nasa Ximending na. It's here. There it is. Tatawid na lang yan. Then we're there. There you go. That's the entrance. We're gonna do a food crawl, most probably. We're gonna look for food, you know. The typical. Magpipicture lang si Cavs. Yan natin. Medyo madami talagang tao pag Ximending.
Sis, pinagayahin ako ng video. Mamaya.
Sige. Delinda. And Elphaba. Grabe na yung hangin, guys. Yung oras ngayon, it's 7:27. So, we're gonna look around for food. Sis, may Watsons naman na kayo. Anyway, we're gonna tawid na. Let's go. Starry night. Ay, iba tayo nung kinanta. Marian Rivera. The struggle. So we're here, guys. I think it's a souvenir shop. So we might buy pasalubong as well as there's like yung newspaper na photo booth. So cute. Nakita rin namin to sa TikTok. Ito na pala yung pop-up! Nandiyan na pala. Ayun o. Oh, cute! Parang nilagyan yata ng yan. Milk tea, ganon. Bumibili lang kami pasalubong, guys. Dami kasi kaming mga ka-team. 12 sila. And mga boss namin, yung mga old workmates namin. So, bili kami dito. It's a shop inside Ximending. So, ayun. We're paying now. Ang dami nila options. You guys can go here. It's the one near Pop Mart. They also have yung mga mochi, ganun. So, for magnets and we bought like yung mirrors. Ang cute, sobrang cute. So, ayan, we're checking out. So, ma-access na kami, guys, sa pasalubong. So, we're gonna look at sama na lang. What to do, you know. tao kasi. So much people. We're at Papmart. What's Papmart? Di, pasok tayo. We're going inside Papmart. Tara, pasok tayo. Entrance. We're going in. Recipe for disaster, guys. Ubusan lahit eh. Nahanap yung gusto ng kapatid ko. Crying baby. Hindi ko sure. Nahanap ko yung gusto ng One Piece. One Piece. My brother is a big fan. 330 NTD lang. Ano siya? Siyempre ako din, di ba? Ano siya, nadamot ko naman. Gusto na isang Rara Noazora. Hindi ako dalawa. Isa sa akin, isa sa kanya. Oo, di ba? Hinahanap ko yung gusto ng kapatid ko. Ano yun eh? Naruto ba yun? Hindi yata Naruto. Yung bago, di ba? Yung black yung lalagyan. Yeah, let's see. I'm looking for the Naruto one. I got yung sa One Piece. I'm buying two. One for me, one for my brother. He's an addicted guy. I'm buying two One Piece na ano, Labubu One Piece. One for me, one for my brother. So, let's see. Sobrang daming tao. Hindi ko mahanap yung Naruto na... Yes? Oh my God! Nakakita na nga siya ng Jackson. Sis! Ako din, isa. Nakakita si Cams ng Jackson na Papmart. Meron kasi silang collection eh. Binilan ko siya before ng isa. Hanggang masyado. May Magic Man. Anong gusto mo?
Meron ako nito.
Gusto ko yung Come Alive eh. Ang ganda niya. We're just gonna pay and labas na kami ulit guys. Bye! Sumakses. Yes. Sumakses ang mga person.
Wala akong planong bumili ng Papmart.
Yung kapatid mo pa ang nagtuturo sa'yo, te, ng mga bibilin mo. Yun. Sumakses kami. Bumili ako ng dalawang One Piece na ano, Labubu collection. Tapos isang Jackson Wang. Si Cam, syempre dalawa. Nag-a-addict na naman siya eh.
Dito ako para budol.
Addict! Magsishin. Shin futang kami guys. Dami yung tea. Medyo mahaba yung line. But, ayan. Shin futang. We got it. We got the goods. Let's see if it...
Isan earlier, Isan Archie, 1326, 1327. 727. Isan Archie. Go how long? 1328, Isan Irma.
Sakto lang.
有交付你的号码，交付 number 30，这个收走了。
Pero hindi siya Pilipino.
Bobo. Nag-franchise sila, wala pa sila sa Philippines. But I would say, it's like a 7.5 out of 10. Around try once, but never again.
Ito naman.
We are in line ngayon. It's called, I'm gonna butcher this. It's Chong flour rice noodles. We're just gonna get one. We're gonna get one. Hatiin lang namin, tatlo kami. The milk tea is nice. We're lining up. Haba din yung pila. But it's always moving, so it's fine. We got it, we got it.
Okay, oh.
Shamsi. Natin. Noodles. Masarap yung noodles. Mainit nga. Init. Init din. Yummy, yummy. Next. Flour rice noodles. Yummy. Pang residential. Sarap siya, guys.
Mga ano, 8.5 out of 10. Mataas na yun.
Mataas na yun.
Isa siya. Perfect for the weather. Diba? Perfect sa weather.
Nakaupo lang kami, guys. Inubos lang namin yung rice noodles. Masarap siya. Medyo mabigat siya sa tiyan. Pero the flavors are great. We only bought yung small. Kasi ang laki ng large talaga. Like, parang kahit sa tatlo, tapos gusto nyo lang i-try, it's too big. So we got the small. Ang laki pa rin ng small, but better than yung large. So that's better and fine. It's like 8:40. Gonna look for like pasalubong. It's 8:42. Sarap ng noodles. Sarap ng paso din sa dila. We are here sa may yung beef, flame grilled beef. So nice. Smells so good. We're gonna buy one. We'll try it out. So, yeah. Parang sarap. Beef kasi. Anything beef is good for me. We ordered one small with roast salt. It's small lang. Hopefully it's yummy. I think it's yummy. But let's see. Let's try the guys. The beef flame grilled beef. Yeah. Siya para siyang medium rare. Yeah. Good, good. I love beef. Solid. Solid. Sarap. We're done exploring Simending, guys. We are gonna go walk to Carrefour. Tapos doon na kami bibili ng pasalubong. So, let's see what we get. So, we'll just walk a bit. And I'll take you guys to Carrefour. Pag nandun na kami, I'll start vlogging again. So, next. Actually, kakatapos na namin dun sa Rainbow Crossing. Rainbow Crossing ba tawag doon? Yun, yung Rainbow Crossing. Nirepaint na pala siya, by the way. It's ngayon, November 21, and may Rainbow Crossing naman. We're going to the Red Brick House? Sorry if I'm not familiar. Anyway, so we're just gonna take a few pictures in front of it, then punta na kaming Carrefour. Yun lang. Hi guys. So we're walking to Carrefour for Dubai ng pasalubong ang mga taong ito. We'll end the day with Carrefour. So let's see what we can buy there. We just walked from Simending to Carrefour because our hotel is on the way there. After Carrefour, mag-Uber na lang kami para di masyadong pagod. My knees are like buckling already, but I'm fine. Ito na, we're here. We got baskets na. Let's see what we get. Hi guys. Time check, it's 11:05. We just finished pasalubong shopping sa Carrefour. This is what we're working with. That's mine. This is Cam's and her brother's yan. We're back sa hotel, guys. Ito na yung aftermath ng Carrefour. Tchanan! Papahinga na ang mga person.